This is my setup for the audio of the DJI Osmo action. We have the CYNOVA adapter attached with the case on. You see there's minimal gap. And then running the cable inside my helmet and using this DIY mic TRS. Alright, so this is a test for the audio of the DJI Osmo Action mounted on my helmet. So right now I am using the internal microphone, so we will hear the difference between using the external microphone with the mic adapter and the internal mic of the audio action. So audio test for internal mic. Testing 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. One thing that I noticed is when you insert an external mic on the Osmo Action, the noise reduction, wind noise reduction option is automatically disabled. I will add a video for that one later. So again, this is a test for the CYNOVA DJI internal microphone. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is a test for the CYNOVA audio adapter. I have a mic set up inside my helmet, so right now I am using external mic. We will check how the audio sounds inside my helmet. So I'm testing this out with my visor open, so we'll see if there's wind noise and how clear the audio is compared to the internal mic. So this is a test for the CYNOVA DJI Osmo Action mic adapter. Testing audio 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is a test, audio test for CYNOVA. CYNOVA Audio test 1 2 3 4.